Tax-free withdrawals from your IRA are one of the best tools you can leverage to plan for a comfortable retirement. But most people don't fully understand how to use them to their advantage, especially when it comes to protecting their wealth in the long term. If you're like most American retirees, you probably want a strategy that not only ensures a steady income in retirement, but also allows you to keep your hard-earned money away from the taxman. In this video, I'm going to show you how tax-free withdrawals from your IRA can be a powerful part of your retirement plan, and how you can start using them today to ensure a secure future. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also reveal a strategy that could help protect your wealth in the face of uncertain times, and it's a tool that you might not be using yet. Before we dive into tax-free withdrawals, here's a quick note. If you want to learn why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to protect their wealth, click the first link in the description. This free guide will show you how to make your retirement savings work harder for you and secure your future. It's perfect for those of you who are serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, so don't miss it. Now, let's talk about tax-free withdrawals. Many of us are familiar with the traditional IRA or 401k, but not everyone knows that there are ways to take money out of these accounts without facing tax penalties, especially if you plan ahead. One of the most powerful strategies involves converting part of your traditional IRA or 401k into a Roth IRA. With a Roth IRA, your withdrawals in retirement are completely tax-free, which means you won't have to worry about your withdrawals affecting your tax bill down the line. This can be a huge advantage when you're living off your retirement savings, as it helps you keep more of your income in your pocket. So how can you take advantage of this? First, you need to understand that Roth IRA conversions are a key move in tax-free retirement planning. When you move money from a traditional IRA or 401k into a Roth IRA, you will pay taxes on that money up front. It sounds like a hefty price to pay, but the long-term benefits far outweigh the initial tax hit, especially if you're in a lower tax bracket in retirement. By converting funds now, you're setting yourself up for tax-free withdrawals in the future, which can make a big difference when you're living off your nest egg. Now, you might be asking, should I convert all of my savings? The answer is no. It's usually a good idea to convert a portion of your IRA, depending on your current income level and tax situation. Spreading out the conversions over a few years can keep you from jumping into a higher tax bracket, allowing you to minimize the tax burden while maximizing your tax-free income later on. But tax-free withdrawals aren't just about Roth IRAs. Another strategy that's critical in maximizing your retirement savings is considering gold IRAs. If you're serious about protecting your wealth and making sure it lasts through your retirement, a gold IRA could be your best option. Gold not only has the potential to grow over time, but also acts as a hedge against inflation and market volatility, something traditional IRAs and 401ks just can't match. While Roth IRAs provide tax-free withdrawals, gold IRAs allow you to diversify your retirement savings in a way that traditional IRAs just can't. Gold is a tangible asset, and many retirees are flocking to gold IRAs for the peace of mind that comes with owning something that holds its value during uncertain times. If you've been relying solely on stocks and bonds, now might be the time to think about adding gold to your portfolio. It's one of the safest ways to protect your wealth, especially if you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even $5 in savings. So, let me break this down. Tax-free withdrawals from your IRA are not just about avoiding taxes. They're about setting yourself up for financial freedom in retirement. And whether you're considering Roth conversions or adding gold to your retirement savings, both strategies allow you to keep your wealth intact and secure for the long haul. Now, before you go, don't forget to grab your free guide on how to protect your wealth with a gold IRA by clicking the first link in the description. This guide is perfect for American retirees with 100K plus or even 5M pluses in savings. It's a must-read if you want to ensure that your wealth stays protected in the face of economic uncertainty. Remember, it's never too late to make smart decisions for your retirement. Tax-free withdrawals are just one piece of the puzzle, but with the right strategy, you can ensure that your retirement years are as secure and comfortable as possible.